Hagi tini Northeast Thansa haika one voice ko kaisa khlai New Delhi wo press meet khaleke joto leader rong milai ar Bubagra Meghalaya ni CM Konrak Sangma Nagaland Assam te podre podni ajago kwbangma leader rok Thansa khlai kok saka haika Bubagra bo ajago kok saka tamoni bagi Thansa ngana je Tiprasa rong ni manthai manyangi tongmani je indigenous rok je naisik jagya kaham kai je bongni manthai sokte rok manyangi tongmani haike ayang New Delhi kwbangma ayang North India fasingo chiang Northeast ni borok rok thangai rungsrungnani hinipana thangake discrimination khlaijangmani jatre potre sajangmani tai tribe haike Northeast indigenous rok kwbangma sangakai like Tripura ni no land right Assam bo 6 schedule protect khainani bagi sanmani haike amorok khanaya tai Tripura ni je BC election nyangi tongmani illegal immigrant fight tongmani amo khoroksa kai Northeast ni ngi thangai kok sawi ka kai khana jagya jotono miliwi Thansa khlai saka kai amo khana jangnai hake je Northeast ni ayang North India ni borok kisapano borok education system hamia amoni bage Northeast amte hai tongo ni borok samia chinyang borora eng thanga kai Chinki, Chinese, Nepali hini sajoga amari bagai borok kaisa education system haike rungsrungmani jagao mati sanai visa brok haike book haike amo Northeast joto Thansa khlai kokti sesa amo khlaijak lak hayanga ka amte haike no discrimination khlaijak tongnai Northeast ni amte haike no norjagi tongnai hini saka Bubagra.
The question will answer it. What is our issues across Northeast? Daniel Rwng Thansa is fighting for protection of 6th schedule. We are fighting for the protection of 6th schedule. There are common problems of illegal migration happening from neighboring countries, alienation of tribal land. अच्छा दिल्ली में अरुणाचली हो, दिमासा हो, गारो हो, नागा हो, त्रिपुरी हो, मिजो हो, बहुत जगह में हमारे लोगों के संग दुर्व्यवहार किया जाता है. अगर सिर्फ चाकमास ही जाके चाकमास के बारे बात करेंगे, मिजोस ही जाके मिजोस के बारे बात करेंगे, तिपरासा ही जाके तिपरासा या नागा, तो हमारी आवाज़ जो दिल्ली में है, हमारी संख्या कम है, बेंगलोर में संख्या कम है, तो हमारी आवाज़ कभी कभी सही जगह में पहुंचती नहीं है. सो दिस इज वेयर आवर स्टूडेंट्स सफर. There are many professionals who are from the Northeast. There are many lawyers who are from the Northeast who again want a platform where they want to talk. That's why Conrad Sangmaji has told them that you are most welcome to join us. There are many journalists who are from the Northeast who sometimes feel that they are not being heard or they are being profiled. And I think it is our job as leaders from the Northeast to come together and articulate that. That was your question. Which are the common points? We all know that many of the people across, many of the Vidwans and intellectuals cannot name 7 or 8 Northeast capitals. And I think it is very important that we also ask the government of India, whosoever is there, to ensure that there is a chapter in the Northeast. Because when I meet some of the most intellectual and wise people, they do not know enough about the Northeast because it is not taught. Students, study books, curriculum does not have chapters in the Northeast. So I think respect is a two-way street, and if we can speak and come together, it will make sense. Speaking about the VC election, that is my democratic right to go and approach the Supreme Court. And for 9 years, elections were not held. Chitrita, let me tell you that elections were also delayed, not under this government, also under previous government. The previous government was a part of a different bloc. So when the tribals of Tripura feel let down, they don't feel let down by one alliance or the other alliance. The tribals of Tripura would like their rights to be restored irrespective of who's there. So that is a constitutional right, and we do that.
Hage Meghalaya ni CM Konrak Sangma saka je tini kok thaisa ke Northeast ni joto indigenous joto party rok mililaya oro kok ti salaimani o jagao 9 jon members tongo hnai. That means slamjaka te kwbangma podre pod Northeast ni party haye political party faijak o jagao haike joto Thansa khlaiye omono naiye kaisa party slamnai Northeast o hai hini saka Meghalaya ni CM hake amo belai kheno kaham tomani bagi himale जों नर्थ इस्ट नि हाइके अजाव कबि कक सानन थाखाय नर्थ स्पेशली और नर्थ इस्ट नि कक सानन थाखाय जों इंडिजिनियस ट्राइब रंनि कक जे चिनि मोखां हाइके चिनि मोखां हागा तो जों बुइबाय आमजों सलिया हाइके जों डिस्क्रिमिनेशन खाजागो हाइके चिनि पपुलेशन बो ट्राइब नि जों खाकसा 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 का बागै आलादा आलादा ngi tongjak हाइके त्रिपुरावनो स्नाइदि हाइके आमनि बागै नर्थ इस्ट होते गोबां मानसिनि ट्राइब दंनि बागै थानसाङि मिया हाइके आमो काइसा प्लेटफर्म काइसा जों जत थानसा खलायै कक बाक्सा खलायै जस ट्राइब जस नर्थ इस्ट नि इंडिजिनियस फानो प्रॉब्लम ngi तंहाकै जत थानसा खलायै कक साकाकै डिमान्ड खालेकै आमो टेबो दाक्ति फ्ला फ्ला मानाय हाइके अ जागाव खा खागै ब सानि कायांगो हाइके आंफानो सानि कायांगो आमतिंगाकै खोनाजाग्ला खनै जत थानसा अंना नांगो हाइके पार्टी स्लामनाय हनै जत नर्थ इस्ट नि इंडिजिनियस लीडर्स रक कक बाक्सा खलायै कक सालायै अमो डिसीजन नालायके ब्रो
करके एक पॉलिटिकल एंटिटी हम लोग लेके आएंगे। उस पे हम लोगों ने काम आज इस अनाउंसमेंट से हमने शुरू किया है। इस कमेटी का जो हमारे कन्वेनर हैं वो हमारे वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर जेम्स सांगमा है। इस कमेटी में 9 मेंबर हैं। इस कमेटी के हमारे मेंबर सेक्रेटरी मिस्टर किकॉन जो हमारे फॉर्मर बीजेपी स्पोक्स पर्सन और नागालैंड सरकार में जो मंत्री थे, और अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जो आज यहाँ पे आए हैं उनके मेंबर्स को लेके हम लोगों ने 9 मेंबर का एक कमेटी बनाया है ताकि अलग अलग मॉडलिटीज को हम लोग देखकर जो काम हमें करने हैं उसको पूरा करके एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एक एंटिटी हम लोग बनाए। Always have felt, and I'm sure many of you here also feel it, that a platform like this and a party like this is necessary. We also feel that there are individuals, and I'm sure there'll be many of you. I invite some of you or many of you or whoever wants to come. You can also join the party. You can also come with us and work with us. Your input will be, it's not about only politics, please remember. It's about ensuring that wherever we find that there is a concern or an issue for anybody from the Northeast, somehow or the another, when it is a person from Meghalaya, though we in our heart we feel, "Arey yaar, ye kya ho raha hai?" but we don't know what to do, what to say, or who to approach. If somebody happens to be, some issue happens with somebody from Arunachal, then we'll find the Arunachal people talking. But then there is a space, there is a vacuum, there is a need for a platform that is going to be talking about the Northeast. So you can imagine when, professionals like you, others, officers, others who are individuals who would like to see some kind of a platform, we are hopeful that we'll be able to provide that. And this committee that we have set up is mandated to approach, individuals who would like to associate with the party and other political parties who would like to merge and work with this new entity that we're going to create.